Welcome to eye training course, and today's topic eye exercises to heal myopia naturally. To heal myopia naturally, we need to eliminate accommodative spasms from oblique eye muscles with relaxation methods and light stretching eye exercises. When you learn and are good with eye relaxation and light stretching, you can try powerful stretching of eye muscles, Swaton eye exercises to eliminate accommodative spasms. The video on my channel will be at the end of the course. It is after you learn all the previous lessons. The best eye exercises to heal myopia naturally is stretching oblique eye muscles by diagonals. Oblique eye muscles, like a belt squeezing eyeballs in the middle. We need to release this belt so the eyeballs can take shape like a ball, spherical. For people who have nearsightedness, or in other words myopia, eyeballs shape like a cucumber or a ball for American football. The shape of the eyeball in myopic people extended forward. With myopia -3, eyeballs extended forward for 1 mm. With -6 extended for 2 mm, and so on. This extended shape prevents focus on the retina and it causes blurry vision. It is because light focuses in front of the retina. If we stretch oblique eye muscles with relaxation methods and eye exercises, eyeballs will get normal spherical shape and light will focus directly on the center of clear vision, macula. Macula is located in the center of the retina. If you already master light stretching eye exercises and learn at least 2 relaxation techniques from my previous lessons, we can go to the next step, which is Swaton eye exercises. It is a more powerful eye exercise because we use our head movement in the opposite direction to stretch our eye muscles more. A more in-depth video will be in module 3, or you can find it on my YouTube channel Swaton. If you want a more in-depth, comprehensive, high-quality online program to improve your eye health and get better vision naturally, enroll in the Eyesight Academy course today. The link below in the description.